Hi, life is challenging, isn't it? Now, what a relief to be able to say that out loud for all of us, because every single person that I talk to is challenged outwardly. And then what makes or breaks us is that we're also being challenged inwardly when we're not on our own team. And what the hell do I mean by that? So the spring is associated with your liver and your gallbladder, which I call, just for this video, and often when I'm talking with clients, I call the liver and the gallbladder, they're like our Hoover bags. Now, the spring is a fantastic time to declutter our Hoover bags, which, believe it or not, mentally, physically, and spiritually gives us the capacity to be very dynamic in our own life force with the challenges that we have. So, those of you that know the work that I do and the incredible challenge and opportunity that I've been involved in will know that darling Andrew finally had his brain surgery on the 17th of April, and we've been waiting since December 24. And at 80 years old, he is the most remarkable example of spring energy in action. He has been so patient and benevolent, and interestingly, what's called the wood energy, spring energy, gives us the capacity with a functioning liver and gallbladder. Literally, it gives us the capacity to be benevolent. And he's had to be incredibly wise, patient, clear, with unbelievably loving intention towards, we have 8 carers coming through the door every single day. It's like Piccadilly Circus. So he inspires me every single day with his courage and his tenacity. Now, and here comes another carer. So, just to complete this, all of us have the capacity to go through our challenges and to thrive, not just survive. Take care.